Today, we're going inside an aircraft carrier construction dock to see how a 100,000-ton warship is built from scratch.
This process begins long before the ship ever touches water.
What you're about to see is one of the largest industrial builds on Earth. Everything starts with precise dock preparation and alignment.
Point taken, accuracy is good, ready for the next coordinates.
Roger that. Moving to the next position now.
Thousands of tons of specialized steel arrive before construction begins. Each plate is cleaned and prepared before cutting.
Rolling machines shape the steel to match the carrier's hull.
Structural frames define the carrier's internal skeleton.
Critical seams receive additional manual reinforcement.
Every weld is inspected without damaging the steel. Protective coatings prevent corrosion from day one. This block will become the foundation of the carrier itself.
Lowering steady, keep coming down.
All right, hold the drift, easy now.
And contact, set it down, all clear. Precise alignment here determines the accuracy of the entire ship.
Specialized welding systems fuse blocks into a single structure. Side sections begin shaping the carrier's outer hull.
Internal bulkheads divide the ship into sealed compartments.
These beams support the massive decks above.
The hangar deck begins forming deep inside the ship. Large airflow systems are installed early to support enclosed spaces.
Shafts for future aircraft elevators take shape.
Interior surfaces are protected before systems installation.
By this stage, the aircraft carrier's true scale becomes impossible to ignore.
Bring it down 20 feet.
Holding steady, watch your clearance.
Locked in, secure the starboard side.
Above the hangar, support structures prepare for the flight deck. Flight deck sections are built separately and installed piece by piece.
Precise placement ensures a flat and stable flight surface.
Aircraft elevators are integrated directly into the deck structure. Safety systems are embedded throughout the hangar spaces.
Climate control systems regulate airflow across the carrier.
Lowering. Watch the center line. Holding steady. Contact. All right, set it down.
The island superstructure begins at its foundation. Structural supports prepare the island for future installations.
Surface preparation ensures durability under extreme conditions.
At this stage, the aircraft carrier is unmistakably taking its final form.
Before water enters the dock, internal compartments are pressure checked.
Systems are verified in controlled test modes.
Large mechanical systems are cycled for smooth operation. With construction complete, the dock prepares for flooding.
For the first time, the carrier begins to float.
Specialized tugs guide the ship out for the next phase.
Final outfitting continues at the pier. Remaining surface equipment is installed and sealed. Months of construction now stand fully assembled. This is inside mechanism trade, where the world's largest machines are built, piece by piece.